Hi friends, welcome to Sai Traditional Silk Sarees. என்னோட கலெக்ஷனில் நீங்கள் பார்க்க போகிற sarees சோனமுகி silk sarees தான் பார்க்க போகிறீங்க. வாங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், vlogக்குள்ளே போகலாம். இந்த saree பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் silk sareesல ஹேண்ட் பெயிண்டட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இந்த சாரீஸோட பிக்சர்ஸ் ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் பார்க்குறீங்க. அதே மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு சாரீஸோட எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் ப்ளஸ் அதோட வீடியோ எல்லாமே எண்ட் ஆஃப் த vlogல இருக்கு. ஸோ ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். அப்போ தான் இந்த டிசைன் தென் அதோட ஒர்க் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு புரியும். ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் ஹேண்ட் பெயிண்டட் சாரீஸ். இது ஃபுல்லாகவே அமேசிங்கான ஆர்டிஸ்ட் வச்சு இந்த ஹேண்ட் பெயிண்டட் நாங்கள் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இதுக்கு சில்க் மார்க் சர்டிஃபிகேட்ஸும் நாங்கள் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுறோம். இந்த ஒரு சாரீக்கு ஹேண்ட் பெயிண்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு 3 days ஆகும். ஸோ அந்த அளவுக்கு ஹெவி ஒர்க்கான இந்த சாரீஸ் உங்களோட வார்ட்ரோப்பில் கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கணும். ஸோ மறக்காமல் வாங்கிடுங்க. இந்த சாரியோட ப்ரைஸ் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஜஸ்ட் 5550 ஒன்லி. ஆல் ஓவர் த இந்தியா இப்போது கொரியர் அவைலபிளாக இருக்குது. ஸோ நீங்கள் ஆர்டர் ப்ளேஸ் பண்ணணுன்னா ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட் எடுங்க. என்னை கமெண்ட் செக்ஷனில் ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப், இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் ஒரு ஃபேஸ்புக் இந்த 4 இதில் வேணாலும் என்னை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணலாம். இந்த 4ஓட டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ஸ் பாக்ஸில் நான் லிங்க்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அதை போய் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இன்னும் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலையா நீங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டன் கிளிக் பண்ணி பக்கத்துல இருக்க பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. அதுல ஆல் என்ற ஆப்ஷனை செலக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. அப்பதான் நான் டெய்லி போஸ்ட் பண்ற சாரீஸோட கலெக்ஷன் உங்களுக்கு உடனுக்குடனே வரும். இந்த சாரி கலெக்ஷன் கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கும். உடனே லைக் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் பட்டனை தட்டி விட்டுருங்க. வீடியோவா பாருங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்.
Vishnu and Rama and Sita. You can see the bow and the beautiful Raja design, the king posture Rama is in. You can see the various colors used for the background. Colorful hand paint design by our experts. The saree takes almost 3 days for the hand painter to complete on pure Sonamugi silk. And we have a plain royal blue color pallu, dark deep royal blue. And the saree is a very beautiful copper sulfate blue color, a light blue color saree. With down part we have neat and simple hand paint work. You can see the deer and Sita sitting posture work with colors border. Very beautiful saree. Excellent work in the pallu. Highlight is the pallu. Beautiful design. Never get again sarees. Grab your soon with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamugi silk saree, 3-ply quality, premium one, completely hand painted, heavily hand painted saree here. You can see the pallu, the Ramayan epic, Rama and Sita, beautiful work. You can see the hand paint work. It's like a digital print but completely hand painted. The colors used are very attractive and beautiful. To complete a saree, a hand painter needs a 3 days, full 3 days. Pure silk. And we have a plain royal blue color blouse piece. Here, the body of the saree is blue. Multiple shades of blue is used in the saree. You can see dark, light and all shades used. And you can see the hand paint design in both sides of the saree. Beautiful rock and leaf design, plant design. It takes us to the old age, the Ramayan period. Very beautiful saree. Excellent work with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamugi silk saree, 3-ply quality, completely hand painted saree. Beautiful pallu here. Lady, beautifully Shiva image, the Trisulam, and you can see the beautiful woman standing behind. Multiple ethnical work done by our beautiful hand painter. The colors used are very attractive, and you can see the details. The Kali version, attractive Durga Puja saree here. Very beautiful, no words to explain. The saree takes almost 3 days for the painter to complete just for painting the saree, and it is completely done on the pure Sonamugi silk. Red plain blouse piece for the saree here. The pallu is basically on black background. The saree is a very beautiful plain version with hand paints in both sides in red, and you can see the body of the saree, a bluish grey color body. Perfect saree, authentic work by our hand painters with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamugi silk saree, 3-ply quality, premium one, completely hand painted saree here. Exclusive, beautiful pallu here. You can see a Buddha design, Shant Sorobi Buddha in green, and you can see the other color, a flower, lotus design on bluish grey color. Very beautiful, fantastic work by our hand painter. It takes almost 3 days to hand paint a single saree. This is the pallu, and we have a plain greenish grey color blouse piece. The saree is again greenish grey, and we have a very beautiful hand paint work in the saree as well. You can see the lotus design with stripy pattern like a melting snows. Very beautiful. And the colors used are very vibrant and beautiful. No words. You can see it by yourself. Extraordinary work by our hand painters with authentic silk mark. Sonamugi silk saree, completely hand painted with very beautiful traditional exclusive designs. We have a beautiful pallu here. Pallu have a big work, completely hand painted. You can see the work. These sarees takes almost 3 days for painting by our expert hand painters. You can see the face of the figure, a very beautiful picture, completely hand painted with a plain blouse piece, royal blue color. And this is the body of the saree. Body is a beautifully plain saree. We have multiple color shades, dark, deep royal blue. You can see the shade differences here and there. And the pallu is the highlight of this saree. Beautiful hand paint design with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Sonamugi silk saree, 3-ply quality, heavily hand painted. Beautiful sarees, silky finish. The pallu of the saree, you can see a beautiful hand paint design here with multiple colors. Mainly the blue is the base. We have the Krishna and Radha picture depicted beautifully by our hand weavers. You can see the details. It's just wow. Like a digital print it is, but it's completely hand painted. And we have a royal blue color plain blouse piece. The saree have a multicolor painted. You can see there is no even painting, but like a modern art it is painted unevenly. Multiple colors used for the same. Beautiful saree, excellent pallu by the experts. Grab yours soon for the festive season with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamugi silk saree, 3-ply quality, hand painted We have a very beautiful pallu here. You can see the saree pallu is pure black color, and we have a woman depicted in the painting. Doing this painting in a paper itself is a big task, but it's been done on the saree. You can see the pallu, just wow. And the colors used are very alluring and beautiful. You can see the face of the woman with all beauty things, very beautiful. The woman have a flower in her hand, a lotus. The saree takes almost 3 days for the hand painter to complete. And the plain blouse piece with one side thin border in orange color. And the saree body is very beautiful body again. You can see multiple colors like a modern art. Here and there it is painted. And we also have a painting work in the black. Very beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Sonamugi silk saree, 3-ply quality. Beautifully hand painted sarees here. A very beautiful pallu, a peacock, and a Krishna face inside the peacock feather. A very beautiful work, completely hand painted using multiple colors. Authentic work. You can see the face. Wow, it's just amazing. That's the only word I have. And we have a half saree model saree here. The painting is done on pure Sonamugi silk, and you can see the silk finish. Plain blouse piece, blue color, the copper sulphate blue. And we have a body, a royal blue color body in the top, and multicolor stripes pattern in the partly fleet portion. Half saree model saree. The pallu is the highlight of the saree. Beautiful hand paint design. For the hand painter to do this work, it takes almost 3 days, and the work is very visible. No words to explain. You can see by yourself. Pure work, authentic work with authentic silk mark. Pure Sonamugi silk saree, 3-ply quality. Completely hand painted saree in kalamkari design. Traditional kalamkari pattern. Hand painted. You can see the beautiful dual peacock design in the pallu on the black base. White used for the painting. It takes 3 days for painting a saree, and you can see the result. Very beautiful painting and a plain red blouse piece. In the body of the saree, you can see polka dots in the top portion, and the lower portion have a beautiful kalamkari hand paint design. Simply super. The combo is also very beautiful. The hand paint is done on pure Sonamugi silk, which adds the beauty. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark.